I should have trimmed my hair last year, but the way my procrastination is set up, better late than never. After I washed, blow dried, and wore my hair in a ponytail for a little while, I moisturized and I put it in African hair threading sections. Then I wore my favorite natural hair wig, and now I'm removing the sections for a trim and a cute little low manipulation hairstyle. It's been a while since my last African hair threading video, but my technique is still the same, so I'll link a tutorial down below. I need to loosen the sections. They've been like this for almost a week, even though I need only 8 hours for my hair to fully dry. Separating the strands makes it easier for me to comb without losing too much hair, and my hair isn't thick enough for me to play those games where I just comb the hair without loosening it first. I'm gonna clip this hair up so I can comb it properly. It's not bone straight, and I'm not sure if I'll ever touch this hair with a flat iron again, but I just need it to be straight enough to get a halfway decent trim. I'm combing my hair in medium-sized sections. When detangling while damp, I prefer my detangling brush, but this time my hair is dry, so I'm gonna use my regular rake comb. I'm so glad my hair feels soft because it usually feels dry when I've gone over a week without washing it. These ends are horrendous and I need at least 1 inch gone. Of course, it's been worse, so I really shouldn't be complaining, but typically I take anywhere between 1 centimeter and above. I think my upper limit is like 4 inches. That's the most I've ever done. It's not bad looking, but really I need this right now. And my hair goes down to about bra strap length. I like to think of length as a range. So I say between armpit and bra strap length because really my longest hair reaches bra strap length. All of my hair isn't that long, so I like to say armpit to bra strap length. I like working in large sections so my hair can be even. Small sections are okay, but only if I follow up with large sections. And if I ever want layers, I'm definitely gonna get somebody more sensible to do this. I did 2 sections in the rear quadrants and 3 in the front. But why do I keep dipping? What is that all about? Like, what is the purpose and significance of this? I really need to work on my posture because this is just bad. I parted my hair from my middle part to the tip of my ear and I did a sloppy flat twist. It doesn't need to be perfect because it's a casual everyday look and this is going to be covered anyway. Who am I trying to impress? Nobody. Now, on the other side, the parting is the same. But I did 2 regular twists and I'm just parting with my fingers so there are no clean lines at all. But again, nobody's gonna see this. Now I'm going to repeat everything in another row, and really I could have just done the front line only. So if you want a big bun, just do the 3 original twists. The flat twist with the 2 twists on the side, and this flat twist with 4 regular twists looked fine, but I wasn't convinced, so I decided to do another flat twist to balance things out. Now I'm going to bring them all over to pin them down, and let me tell you something, this is a look. I'm using my snappies to tie my hair up in a ponytail. There isn't much hair left back there, so this is gonna be a hungry looking bun, but it's how I'm wearing my hair to work, so there's really no need to be glam or extravagant. A nice clean look is good enough. Now I'm splitting it in 2 and I'm going to twist it and pin it. That's literally it for this style, and I'm gonna wear it until my next wash day. So be on the lookout for that video. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will catch up with you soon. Bye!